today we've been in office for 100 days. And so, but we are very, very intentional that we want to celebrate 100 days here, not just in the Eastern Shores, but specifically at Salisbury and specifically at the university. Because you all very much epitomize everything that we are hoping for. I want this to be the state where everyone feels like the future of the state is going to have their fingerprints on it. And so I really appreciate you. I really appreciate your work. I appreciate your leadership and your service. And I'm really excited. It's your time. Period. You know, one of the things that's so inspiring for me, for each and every one of you, is that you're moving in a sense of boldness right now. You're moving with a sense of understanding that you are never in a room that you don't belong in. Everywhere you are there because you belong. Everywhere you are, where you are there because that place would be incomplete if you weren't. I'm rooting for you. We're going to invest in you. We believe in you. And we need you to win. Big. Okay? And when you do, just make sure you don't leave no one behind. All right?